I started recording, those couple on the scooter face planted right in front of the Z. And I started recording. Roll. Alright guys, welcome back to another video today on the Ghost Flash channel. In today's video, as you guys can see, we'll be working on the Nissan 300ZX. And in this video, ladies and gentlemen, it'll be a mix of prep for tomorrow's morning car show. That's going to be at Cars and Coffee hosted by Eliminate. I'll go ahead and tag him on the screen. So yeah, he's hosting a Cars and Coffee tomorrow at his shop. That'll be his first and his last and his only Cars and Coffee he's ever hosted at that shop. So I figured I'd get the Z ready to go because the Genesis is far from ready. The Miata needs tires. And so the Z is the next candidate on today's list of going to, I guess, that event. So I'm gonna be changing the trunk setup because, as you guys know, when I did this trunk setup a couple years ago, I said this was just a test setup and I don't have the proper supplies to do the final setup, so I'm just gonna modify this setup, at least I believe. We'll get to that in just a second. And in today's video also, we're gonna be swapping out the Apple CarPlay radar that I put in because it did stop working. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the OEM, or not the OEM, the original double din or single din that I had in the vehicle before. And then as well as we're gonna try to add some little things like maybe some lights, clean up some stuff around the car. And as you guys also saw, I have the spares or my stocks on the front because Mo is currently flipping the tires for me right now at his shop. Shout out to you, Mo. He's getting those flipped for me so I can go ahead and get this car down to the event tomorrow morning. So I'll go ahead and flip the camera and show you guys where we're gonna get started on it first. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so the trunk setup is done, and I hope you guys like it and enjoyed the process of assembling this. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this trunk setup. It is another temporary setup because I still need to get another piece of wood that is long enough to be able to go and extend to both sides. And I'm also going to install some lights into the trunk as well and some other miscellaneous things. But for a temporary setup, let me know what you guys think and if you guys like it, and if you guys think I'm getting better at doing these trunk setups. Other than that, the only other thing we did do is we put in the old radio without the Apple CarPlay, without my screen, so I have no more Apple CarPlay, which sucks. But we put that in because the other one basically broke and decided to not work anymore. And as you guys can see over there, we have the old battery out of the car because shout out to Mo, Adam on the screen. He did drop us off a brand new battery, off the shelf brand new, as well as got my tires flipped for tomorrow. So we are sitting a-okay. So that's basically gonna wrap up today's prep video on the 300ZX, getting it prepped for the lemonade meet tomorrow morning. So I don't know when you guys will see this video, or after this video, the next video to upload it will be the lemonade video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to turn on your bell notifications and subscribe to the channel to be able to see the videos coming out next if you guys are interested in the lemonade video. I'll catch you guys in the next Ghost Flash video.